Hey everyone! Today, we're checking out 25 of the best kitchen gadgets you can grab from Amazon. Whether you love cooking or just want to make meal prep easier, these tools will save you time, keep your kitchen organized, and maybe even surprise you with how useful they are. From clever slicers to space-saving organizers, we've got something for everyone. So, let's dive in. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the link below. The LifeWit Utensil Organizer is a stylish and practical solution for keeping your kitchen drawers neat and tidy. Made from durable bamboo, it features an expandable design that adjusts to fit different drawer sizes, providing ample space for cutlery, cooking tools, and other essentials. With smooth grooves for easy access and a sturdy structure that resists scratches, this organizer adds both elegance and functionality to any kitchen. Its versatile design also makes it useful for organizing tools, stationery, cosmetics, and other household items, helping to keep everything within reach and well-arranged. The snow-clad stainless steel cutting board is a durable and versatile addition to any kitchen. Designed with a double-sided surface, it features stainless steel for cutting meat and wheat straw, polypropylene for fruits and vegetables. Its non-porous material helps prevent lingering odors and food residue, making it a hygienic choice for meal prep. The built-in juice groove catches liquids for easy cleanup, while the sturdy handle ensures a secure grip and convenient storage. Dishwasher-safe and long-lasting, this cutting board combines functionality and convenience for everyday cooking needs. The mini sandwich maker with removable plates is a convenient and portable kitchen gadget that makes delicious grilled cheese, breakfast sandwiches, and more in minutes. Its non-stick, dishwasher-safe plates make cleanup effortless, while the compact design is perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or travel. With even heating and an easy-to-use control system, this sandwich maker ensures perfectly toasted results every time. Whether you're making a quick meal at home or taking it on the go, this lightweight appliance is a great addition to any kitchen. The Okma Stand Mixer is a powerful and stylish kitchen essential, designed to handle all your baking and cooking needs. With a 660-watt motor and 6 adjustable speeds, it effortlessly mixes dough, batters, and more. Its large stainless steel bowl provides ample space for making cakes, breads, cookies, and pastries, while the tilt-head design allows easy access for adding ingredients. The included whisk, dough hook, and mixing beater make it a versatile tool for any home chef. With a sleek design, durable construction, and user-friendly features, this stand mixer is a perfect addition to any kitchen. The Greater Goods Nutrition Scale is a must-have tool for anyone focused on meal prep, calorie counting, or tracking macros. With precise measurements down to 0.1 grams and a food-safe glass surface, this scale makes portioning effortless and hygienic. It comes preloaded with nutritional values for 2,000 foods and allows for 99 custom entries, helping you keep track of carbs, proteins, and fats with ease. Its sleek design, backlit display, and touch-sensitive buttons make it both stylish and functional. Whether you're planning meals or managing your diet, this scale is a reliable kitchen companion. The Braun Multi-Quick 7 Immersion Hand Blender is a versatile 3-in-1 kitchen essential designed for fast and effortless blending. Featuring patented Easy Smart Speed technology, it allows for single-hand operation with no predefined speed settings. Just apply more pressure for finer results. The innovative Active Blade technology provides 250% more active cutting surface, ensuring smooth and even textures. With splash control to keep your kitchen clean and an extra milling blade for added power, this hand blender tackles even the toughest ingredients. Plus, Its Easy Click Plus system lets you switch between attachments seamlessly, making it perfect for blending, chopping, whisking, and more. The UPO-SOJA Baker's Rack is a multifunctional kitchen storage solution designed for convenience and style. Featuring a built-in power strip with AC outlets and USB sockets, it allows easy access to power for appliances like microwaves and coffee makers. With 9 open shelves, a cabinet, wine rack, goblet holder, side hooks, and a pull-out wire basket, it offers ample storage for kitchen essentials. Its industrial design includes a sturdy metal frame, waterproof and scratch-resistant surface, and adjustable feet for stability. The reversible installation design allows for flexible placement, making it a perfect fit for kitchens, coffee bars, or living spaces. The Cutlux 12-inch slicing carving knife from the Artisan series is expertly crafted for precision cutting. Made from high-carbon German steel, it offers exceptional sharpness and durability, with a hand-sharpened Granton blade edge for effortless slicing of brisket, turkey, and other meats. The full-tang design features an ergonomic, triple-riveted Paca-wood handle, ensuring a comfortable grip and stability. With a rust-resistant razor-sharp edge and an included sheath for safe storage, this knife is a must-have for BBQ enthusiasts and home chefs alike. Plus, it comes with a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. The Gronovex 9L collapsible sink tub is a versatile and space-saving solution for kitchen and camping needs. Made from durable PP plus TPR material, it's lightweight yet sturdy, with a foldable design that reduces its height by 70% for easy storage. Ideal for washing dishes, soaking laundry, or even as a foot bath, this multi-use wash basin features smooth surfaces for effortless cleaning. Its built-in handles provide comfortable carrying, making it perfect for RV trips, camping, or home organization. Available in multiple colors, it's a practical and eco-friendly addition to any household. The Gomahe Pull-Out Pots and Pans Organizer is a convenient and efficient storage solution for your kitchen. This 2-pack set features a slide-out design that allows easy access to pots, pans, and lids, eliminating the frustration of digging through cabinets. Adjustable dividers make it versatile for storing not only cookware, but also cutting boards, baking sheets, and more. Its no-drill installation makes setup hassle-free, while the durable tray base is easy to clean and prevents dirt buildup. Ideal for narrow cabinets, apartments, and RV kitchens, this organizer maximizes your storage space while keeping everything within easy reach. The Lucmonde Electric Citrus Juicer is designed for convenience and efficiency, offering a 1.2-liter capacity to handle large volumes of juice for families or parties. It features a powerful motor with a slow-speed operation that preserves the vitamins and nutrients in the juice, ensuring a pure taste. The juicer includes a transparent jug with measurement markings, and it comes with a protective cover to keep dust out. For easy operation and cleaning, the parts are detachable and dishwasher safe. The juicer is made with FDA-approved BPA-free materials, ensuring safety for your family. The Olex electric cooker is a versatile 2-liter ceramic glaze non-stick pot with dual power options, allowing you to choose between 350 watts for lighter dishes like pasta, ramen, and pancakes, or 700 watts for heavier meals like steak, soup, or hot pot. It features quick heating with an upgraded heating board for even cooking, as well as overheat protection for safety. The cooker's ceramic glaze surface is free from harmful substances like PTFE, PAS, and PFOS, making it a healthy cooking option. It's easy to clean thanks to its non-stick surface, and its compact size makes it portable and ideal for small kitchens, offices, or travel. The iBuick Rustic Coffee Mug Holder Stand is a stylish and functional addition to any kitchen or coffee bar. With a sleek industrial design, it adds a farmhouse vibe while offering practical storage for up to 16 mugs. The stand features a sturdy metal frame and a storage base, keeping mugs securely in place and helping to reduce countertop clutter. Its anti-skid feet ensure stability and protect surfaces from scratches. Easy to assemble with included instructions, this mug holder combines convenience, durability, and aesthetic appeal. The Kiansaluki Soda Can Dispenser is an innovative and practical solution for organizing your fridge, pantry, or cabinets. This adjustable and stackable 2-pack organizer allows you to store up to 9 cans, with a flexible design that can expand to fit various can sizes. Made from durable PET material, the dispenser helps reduce clutter and maximize space, while its self-sliding, double-layer feature makes access to your beverages easy. The transparent design enhances your fridge's aesthetic and ensures quick identification of contents. The Patelet Pie Server set includes 3 stainless steel spatulas, each designed with a serrated edge for easy cutting and serving of pies, cakes, and pizzas. Made from durable 430 stainless steel, these servers are rust-proof, easy to clean, and built to last. The set features different handle designs, including wooden, black, and stainless steel handles, providing versatility and comfort during use. Perfect for various desserts, from multi-layer cakes to wedding pies, this practical and elegant set makes a thoughtful gift for cooking enthusiasts. The Gorilla Grip Expandable silverware organizer is designed to maximize kitchen drawer storage with a versatile and adjustable layout. It features rubber-lined slots for a slip-resistant surface that keeps utensils in place and is equipped with 8 grip feet to prevent shifting and wobbling. This organizer is expandable to fit most drawers, offering flexible storage options, and it is made from durable, BPA-free plastic that resists scratches and cracking. Unlike bamboo organizers, this plastic version is easy to clean and dishwasher safe, making it a reliable and practical addition to any kitchen. The glass olive oil dispenser bottle is made of high-quality borosilicate glass, known for its durability and resistance to both high and low temperatures. This shatterproof bottle features a stainless steel spout with an auto-flip no-drip design to reduce oil consumption and ensure clean pours. Its wide mouth allows for easy refilling and cleaning, and the silicone bottom pads provide anti-slip and protective benefits. This oil dispenser is BPA-free, lead-free, and food-grade, making it a safe and healthy option for your kitchen. With a 17-ounce capacity, it's perfect for storing and dispensing olive oil, vinegar, soy sauce, or syrup. The UltraBlade PRO Auto Stop can opener is a modern, rechargeable electric can opener designed for convenience, especially for seniors or those with arthritis. Featuring a powerful motor, it offers one-touch operation with automatic shut-off once the cut is complete. The opener uses side-cut technology, leaving a smooth edge on the lid, and includes a retractable lid picker for easy removal. With a rechargeable battery, it opens approximately 120 cans per charge, making it a cost-effective and eco-friendly choice. The compact design is ideal for easy storage, and its ergonomic, noise-reduced operation ensures a seamless can-opening experience for all users. The Bear 700-watt smoothie countertop blender is a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance designed to handle various tasks with ease. It features a 700-watt motor and adjustable 3-speed control, making it perfect for crushing ice, pureeing, and blending frozen fruits. The 40-ounce capacity jar is ideal for large batches, whether you're making smoothies, shakes, or even baby food. The self-cleaning function ensures effortless maintenance. Simply add soap and warm water for a quick clean. Equipped with stainless steel blades and a non-slip mat for stability, this blender is a convenient and efficient addition to your kitchen. The Kundita 4-cup egg frying pan is an upgraded, non-stick, granite-coated pan designed for efficient and safe cooking. With a deepened 1-inch groove and a raised, heat-resistant handle, it makes flipping eggs and cooking breakfast easier and safer. The pan is made from high-quality aluminum, ensuring fast and controlled heat distribution, and it's compatible with all stovetops, including gas and induction. The 4-cup design allows you to prepare multiple portions of omelets, pancakes, or burgers at once, streamlining your cooking process. It's easy to clean and comes with a brush and scraper for convenience. The Canfini 50-ounce glass jars with airtight lids come in a set of 4 square jars with clip-top lids and chalkboard labels. Made of food-grade glass, they are BPA-free, reusable, and dishwasher-safe. Each jar is designed with a stainless steel locking clip and food-grade rubber gasket to create an airtight seal, ensuring freshness. The jars feature a wide mouth for easy access and viewing, and include 4 chalkboard labels and 2 replacement silicone gaskets. These versatile jars are perfect for storing a variety of kitchen items like pasta, coffee, sugar, snacks, or even for pickling. The Comzon collapsible rice storage containers are versatile bins designed for storing dry foods like rice, flour, sugar, or pet food. With a capacity of up to 30 pounds of rice or 15 pounds of dog food when fully expanded, these containers can be folded down for easy storage, saving space when not in use. The containers feature detachable wheels for easy movement and are made from durable, BPA-free, food-grade plastic. The airtight lids with 4-side locking mechanisms and silicone seals keep food fresh, while the magnetic clear hatch provides easy access. The container also comes with a 250 milliliter measuring cup and a small storage container for added convenience. The Thor Lich Bamboo Salt Box is a stylish and functional container for storing salt, pepper, sugar, or other spices. Made from durable, renewable bamboo, it has a 13-ounce capacity and features a built-in spoon for easy measurement. The swivel lid is equipped with a magnetic lock for easy one-handed opening and closing. Additionally, the box includes a detachable salt label that glows in the dark for easy identification. This versatile container is perfect for use on the countertop and is easy to maintain with simple hand washing. Its compact size and sleek design make it a space-efficient and attractive addition to your kitchen. The Gorilla Grip XL 4-sided cheese grater is a versatile kitchen tool designed for shredding, grating, zesting, and slicing a variety of foods. With its high-quality stainless steel construction, it features 4 sides that allow for different textures and uses, from cheeses to vegetables, fruits, and even chocolate. The oversized ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable, slip-resistant grip, making it easy to use for extended periods. Additionally, the grater has a detachable container with a removable lid that attaches securely to the bottom, making it easy to catch and store ingredients while measuring them. The Circle Joy Milk Frother is a rechargeable, handheld frother that quickly creates rich, delicate foam for lattes, cappuccinos, and more. With a powerful motor running at 10,000 RPM, it delivers smooth, fluffy foam in seconds. The frother includes a practical storage bracket for easy access and features a food-grade stainless steel rod for safe use. It's simple to clean and perfect for making your favorite beverages effortlessly.